Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Info Bites.
The podcast where you come to get bites of information you didn't know you needed.
I'm Akib,
And I'm Dev.
and welcome to another episode.
So now we're going to be going over some facts like always.
Yeah, like as usual.
So how was your week?
It was terrible. I didn't note down any facts, and today I had a match and my legs are dead, like paining AF.
That's the same story you say every episode.
Yeah, cause I don't know, I'm feeling really lazy these days. Even though I went a walk in the morning today, and it was like foggy. It was good temperature.
You didn't call me.
You'll wake up at 6.
Obviously.
Definitely, bro. Definitely, for sure.
Okay. Let's just get started with facts.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start. The longest traffic jam in history lasted 12 days and was around 100 kilometers long. 12 days?
12 days. Damn.
Bro, I can't even stay in my house for 12 days. Imagine a car.
I swear. Whoa. Imagine the dad goes out of the house to get some grocery and then he's stuck in the traffic for 12 days, comes back and the lady has married another person.
Everyone died also.
Yeah. What the hell, man? 12 days? That's a lot.
I think I was in Japan somewhere.
100 kilometers?
Yeah.
Dude.
I'm pretty sure I was somewhere in Japan.
Yeah, I was in Japan.
Or Beijing.
I think I've read this fact somewhere. It was either in China or Japan.
Yeah. Okay, let's get on to the next fact.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it. So Point Nemo is the place
Nemo.
on Earth. Yeah, okay. Point Nemo is the place on Earth farthest away from land. The closest people to this place are at the International Space Station. Wow.
Yeah, I read about this. I think it's a place in the Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, the Pacific Ocean. The closest
Pacific
people are in space. Damn.
Is it that far away from land?
Yeah, it's the most isolated place from land in the Pacific Ocean.
Anyway, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest and the largest ocean in the world. It's the deepest. No one has, scientists have not even been able to find out the animal species and the animal creatures who live.
Yeah, that's for every ocean.
Yeah, no.
You know the Mariana
Mainly
Trench? The Mariana Trench is the deepest trench.
It's like the deepest.
So have you looked at the camera which goes down there? It's so creepy.
No, I haven't. Is it
The creatures living down there are creepy.
Is it a video on YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm
Do you
gonna see it.
know what an anglerfish is?
No.
You don't know what an anglerfish? Okay, it's like a fish who has these really sharp teeth, and it has these really sharp teeth, and it has this kind of light hanging in front of his head. They just look creepy. Okay, so let's get started with the next fact. In ancient Egypt, spiderwebs used to be used as bandages. Damn, spiderwebs used to be used as bandages.
Damn, actually?
Yeah. Imagine using spiderweb as bandages, bro.
Bro, that's... Oh yeah, anyway, I've seen that spiderwebs are this some sort of... They have some healing properties and stuff. I read this somewhere that in the ancient times and stuff they were used as healing properties and stuff.
Yeah, bandages basically.
Yeah, that's what I probably meant.
Imagine taking a spider and squeezing it on your bone.
Oh, gross. Spiders, man, I really hate those creatures. I can't stand them. That either disgusts me or scares me. Freaks me out.
Yeah, just scary. Once I was browsing Reddit, one of the best social media platforms.
Yeah, definitely.
I have a lot of karma, okay? Okay, so, and then I saw this post of a toilet inside the, the toilet, toilet inside the toilet, the bowl inside the toilet, there's a spider there.
Oh my god.
And the big spider, I got so scared for the next week or so. I always look down before I went to take a poop.
That one thing of living in Dubai is there are very less spiders inside the house.
Yeah.
But in India, whenever I go, man, I enter the washroom and there are less humans in the whole house than there are spiders in the washroom.
Bro, I think your washroom is...
It's India, bro.
No, obviously...
even if you clean the whole thing daily, it's still there will be multiple spiders there. So every time I go, I'm literally scared. I try to avoid going to the washroom in India. Can you imagine how torturous it was?
Okay, let's go for the next fact. Oh, blue whale facts.
Oh, I like blue whales. I like oceans and stuff. A blue whale is so enormous that a human could swim through its... What?
See the full fact.
Yeah, a blue whale is so enormous that a human could swim through its veins. No way!
Damn, that's...
Dude,
Pretty unbelievable.
what the hell? This just shows that how enormous a blue whale is compared to us tiny little humans.
No,
Like swimming through the veins.
it's pretty.
Intense.
Yeah, I
Really
guess.
freaky.
Well, so talking about blue whales, this next fact is as mind blowing.
Hmm.
A blue whale is so enormous that its tongue weighs as much as an elephant.
Oh my.
So imagine how much the full thing will weigh.
You know, these facts just show us that how much, you know, like we're nothing in front of these enormous marine creatures and stuff. Like, damn man, its tongue is the size, right?
Size, yeah.
Size of an elephant. Like elephant is
The
considered...
weight.
Okay, the weight. Damn. The
That's-
elephant is considered as like the largest creature on land.
Yeah, on land, yeah.
Like it's just a blue whale's tongue is as heavy as an elephant. Damn. Okay. Comic Sans is such a bad font that even the person who created it used it only once. That's just sad.
And Comic Sans is one of the worst fonts, dude. I'm not even like... It's so bad.
Wait, Comic Sans? I don't exactly... Is it that, you know, the cookie type one? Like
No, it's like... Wait, I'll show you. It's the... You don't know what Comic Sans is?
No, I mean, I know what this, but like I'm just a little sort of
It's
confused.
this kind of weird... curly... I mean, like...
Yeah, I think I know, but like...
Wait,
not
exactly.
sure.
This is Comic Sans.
I actually like the font.
You like Comic Sans?
Yeah, I mean, I use it for... I mean, I don't use it much nowadays, but before, like a year ago or something, I used to like it.
You need help.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it's so
Satya
bad.
Nadella, Microsoft CEO, said it's a good font.
Who? When?
In an interview, Satya Nadella was asked that this Comic Sans a good font. He's like, a good font.
Man, it's trash.
It is?
Yeah.
I don't use it in
Okay,
nowadays.
this next font.
Which is your favorite font?
My favorite font? So on Apple, it's Avenir Next. Avenir
I have no clue what
Next.
that is,
It's
but okay.
sick font. It's like very thin and modern. And on Windows, I'd say Agency FB. You know that font?
Not
Looks
much,
pretty
but
sick.
yeah.
It's kind of thin font.
There are loads of fonts, so I won't know obviously all of them, right?
I mean, I like a simple rounded font, you know.
Oh yeah. Mine. I mean, I don't use much fonts nowadays. I just go for like the usual Calibri. I like it. It's
Calibri
pretty
is too
and
basic.
Font. Yeah, I know.
Okay, next
I
font.
don't do much right.
Next font
I do,
shit.
but,
Next fact.
like... Next font. Okay.
Okay, it is impossible to hum while holding your nose shut. Right.
Okay, I'm doing it. Hum. Okay, that's
What
one.
was that?
Definitely.
Hum. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
My ears got
Yeah,
blocked.
I-
Oh my god. Guys, try it right now. Oh my god.
They're bubbly.
Oh my god.
This, you know, when, like in the aeroplane, when you're like when the vacuum is so much that your ears get blocked.
There's
so,
no
like,
vacuum in airplane.
No.
The pressure difference.
Yeah, sorry, that's what I meant. The pressure is like so high, like whatever, that you have like your ears get blocked and something like that. So I do this and like gets clear.
Yeah, you do that, and then what I do is it gets more, but then you swallow and then it gets clear.
Yeah. That's weird, but yeah.
Yep. Okay, next fact.
So funny. You're like but okay.
Stop.
Okay. Although they have berries in their name, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries aren't actually berries. However, bananas and watermelon are berries. I read this somewhere, but I don't exactly like. I'm like really astonished.
Yeah, why do they have berries in the name if they're not berries
Exactly.
in the first place?
And I thought, like, you know, people, because of strawberry, blueberry, and these sticks, people think berries are like, you know, that small type of fruits. Banana and watermelon. Watermelon is gigantic. How is that a berry? But okay. I mean, if that's the fact, then it's a fact.
Yeah, I
You
guess.
can't put your opinion in front of the fact.
I mean, yeah.
What's your favorite fruit, by the way?
My favorite fruit? I just love berries, you know, berry juice is so good.
I asked fruit, not juice.
Okay, wait.
Jumbo.
My favorite fruit, watermelon, berries, all type of berries.
You mean bananas
And mango. No, like the other berries. the
other
fake berries, imposter
Fake
berries.
The Among Us imposter berries. I love strawberries, dude. I love strawberries. I can eat them all day. And I love making smoothies also with fruits.
I just ate strawberries in camp.
I have strawberries at home. And I hate bananas.
Bananas are so good, what do you mean?
Bro, you go die in a trash hole.
Have you ever eaten a banana milkshake?
Yeah, but I add strawberries
I mean,
with it,
drunk-
so I can't
drunk
taste.
banana.
So I can't taste the banana
Why are you adding the banana in the first place?
because it's healthy, and I
my
try to be as
God.
healthy as possible.
Okay,
Yeah.
next fact, here we go. There's a psychological disorder. I was trying to say physical.
You were asking to read it like that. Okay.
There's a psychological disorder called boanthropy, which makes people believe that they're a cow.
What the hell, dude?
Yeah, apparently there was this old king,
Yeah.
and that's one of the most famous cases. There's only very rare of this thing.
Like
This
one
disorder
in
is
1
very
million
rare.
something.
So there was this very old king, and then in some manuscript it was written how he had boanthropy, and he used to moo and try to eat grass and stuff.
God, that's gross. What type of psychological disorders are there, man?
A lot.
Weird. And okay, I was watching Teen Wolf a lot, right? So
Yeah.
listen.
Who watches Teen Wolf?
Everybody does. Okay, listen. Obviously, whichever series I watch, I want to become a character in that. For example, in Teen Wolf, it was werewolves. So I went, even though I know werewolves don't exist, I was like, okay, the Google might have some information on it. I know it's dumb. And I opened my laptop, phone, most sorry. And then I'm like, okay, do werewolves exist? And then in one of like the websites and stuff, it said yes, and I'm like, what? And then I researched a lot more about it. It's actually a psychological disorder as well, in which your body grows a lot of hair
Yeah,
and stuff
it's
like
called
that.
the werewolf. That's not a psychological. That's a physical disorder.
Same
Or a
thing.
body disorder.
I don't care.
You grow a lot of hair. Yeah, I know. I've seen some on internet, not in real life.
Yeah, I hope so.
What do you mean you hope so? Huh? People can't live with more hair.
It's their life, but I don't want to go near it.
Wait, are you trying to become a werewolf with all that hair on your head?
Yeah, bro. That's exactly the look I'm going for.
You look
Werewolves
more like
don't
a
have
girl.
much hair
You
on
look
them.
more like a girl than a werewolf.
Long hair is stylish, okay? Like, it's nice and hot.
Okay, but just the next fact.
Even though Fruit Loops are different colors, they all have exactly the same flavor. What the hell are Fruit Loops?
You don't know what Fruit Loops are? Those colorful cornflakes of.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I've eaten them. That,
Each of them have the same flavor.
they're
What
like
a
rings,
rip-off. Yes.
Cheetos. Yeah, okay, I've eaten them.
Each of
But
them
they're
have the same
actually not
flavor.
different flavors.
What a rip-off. Imposter.
Dude, I actually was like eating it like maybe like weeks
Even I did that.
And I'm like, okay, I'm eating healthy, bro. I'm eating like different fruits.
Imagine how tasty it would be if each had a different flavor. You'd mix separate
You know, I
flavors and
actually
make your own
like was
flavors.
seeing loads of videos like fitness and stuff, and then I discovered that cornflakes and all these companies which say they're healthy breakfast are not really healthy. They have more, additives and harmful chemicals inside them and artificial flavors than real fruits and healthy stuff. You know.
Yeah, that's
Fun
just,
fact.
that's how it
Which
is.
is like not
You know,
on the list.
there was this video about this guy exposing various brands. Yeah, so he found that
FitTuber.
I don't remember. I
think-
saw it somewhere else.
Yeah, I think that's
So
the one.
then,
Does he like have like
I don't remember all that.
such an idiot?
Okay, so then so basically the orange juice had more sugar. The normal orange juice had more sugar than the sugar-free orange juice with the less sweetened orange juice. Can you believe that? The orange juice had lesser sugar than the sugar-free orange juice.
Oh, that's a weird fact, but yeah, that's actually the that's actually like the truth of all these flavoring companies and cornflakes. What am I saying? Breakfast companies and stuff. It's really weird, but yeah.
Alright, let's go for the next fact. And this fact is quite astonishing. Sunsets on Mars are blue in color.
I know that. I knew that one.
Quite ironic, right? Like
Yeah.
how on the blue planet sunsets are red, and on
Yes,
the red
exactly,
planet sunsets
yeah.
are blue.
That's exactly like I saw this meme, I guess, somewhere like on Instagram and stuff that on our blue planet it has red sunsets, and in the red planet it has blue sunsets. Man, Mars, man, I'm like really curious about space and stuff.
Elon Musk is gonna reach Mars soon.
Yeah, but you know, in an interview, he like literally got tears in his eyes, thinking that he'll die before Mars is completely discovered and stuff.
And I also started crying when somebody said that Neil Armstrong is criticizing his work.
Yeah. But wait, yeah, I saw that video recently. But Neil Armstrong died 2012.
Wait, Neil Armstrong's dead?
Are you okay? Years
No.
ago.
I have absolutely no clue.
Wow.
I mean, I don't remember who criticized. Maybe he was back when he
It
was
was Neil
alive.
Armstrong. I saw that.
Maybe he
that
was
video,
back
like,
when he was
recently.
alive.
No. Yeah, but then that video was like recently, 2012. That time YouTube wasn't that famous.
Man, it can be.
It's weird, but yeah, okay,
It
I
can
don't
be.
care
It
now.
can be.
We'll check later.
Okay, let's just go for the next fact.
A single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. Whoa.
Spaghetto.
Interesting and not very
Spaghetto.
interesting fact as well.
I mean, if you're dieting, you just go to the restaurant and be like, can I have 5 spaghettos? Oh wait, don't you know there's something called spaghettos, those O's which come in sauce?
No.
You have no clue. Okay, nice.
Yeah. Spaghetti, pasta, and all these things are like my favorite, bro. Like, so much fun eating them. Cheesecake Factory, man. I went there recently and I got an overdose of cheese.
Man, cheesecakes are they like the best type of cake? There's nothing better than cheesecakes.
Agreed.
Ice cream cakes are like
Yeah,
comparable,
medium.
but not as
Yeah,
good.
Not as good. I like cheesecakes. I love cheesecakes.
They're so heavy too.
Yes, that's the thing. Like,
When you order cheesecake, do you order a slice of cheesecake or the entire cheesecake?
I think the entire cheesecake.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we do that, right?
But we haven't eaten cheesecakes.
Some people just order a slice, but then maybe that's because
they want to eat less or they're less.
no,
people or
because
something.
there's like one person. You won't order an entire cheesecake for
you can't
yourself.
eat You barely eating one slice is like making you full.
I swear. Okay. Oh, you know the first time I ordered cheesecake, right? It was so basically we didn't know how heavy cheesecake was, and we ordered it on my birthday. So we ate pizza, and you know how normally cheesecake is like. I mean, normal cake is like you eat one slice. It's even if you're full, you can eat one slice.
Yeah.
So we ate pizza and we ate cheesecake. We couldn't finish it. Everyone had ate like 2 spoons of it, and we're like, I'm done.
Man.
Okay, let's go for 2 more facts, I guess.
Yeah, okay. Last 2 more facts.
The flashes of colored lights you see when you rub your eyes are called phosphenes.
Wait, I'm confused. So that was floaters. No, what the hell is this? Okay.
When you rub your eyes a lot, yeah, you start seeing.
Yeah.
You start dripping and stuff.
Yeah, you know what I used to do? It's like at night when I can't sleep and I'm like, okay, let's have a look at some colors. I used to just rub my eyes and get into that hypnotization of loads of different colors, and I'm like, how do these form?
I swear, like it's pretty weird.
And I was always curious, but you know, I can't exactly like sort of understand how to research these questions and stuff.
Yeah, what do you search? Weird things in my eyes.
Exactly.
Even floaters are.
Yeah, I tried researching and I'm like, no, just forget it. It's mostly germs that I'm seeing in the eye, in like, you know, the place and stuff. It's fun facts and really interesting as well. Okay, let's go for the next fact.
But you know why it's actually formed?
How?
It's because when you rub it, right? You know your optical nerve.
Yeah.
It gets triggered or something, and then it starts transmitting false signals to the brain.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Okay, let's last fact now.
Okay. Yep. Oh wait 1 minute. So you know that what was I saying? Alright, chuck it. Just let's go for the next fact.
You made me curious for a second, bro. Which one have you know? Okay, so the Lego Group is the world's most powerful brand. There are more Lego mini figures than there are people on Earth. Damn, that's
a lot. I mean, it's kind of obvious, right? Because there's a lot of Legos.
Yeah, but there are also a lot of people.
Have you ever played with Legos?
Yeah, sometimes. Like very rarely.
You're a disgrace. No, I'm like way older. I'm like
a year
older than you,
me.
but I still play with Legos. And I make stuff, and it's
something
fun.
like it's since my childhood that I haven't played with much toys. Even in like, you know, in my childhood I used to play with. I had this like red car. And I used to like put pillows inside them and act like I'm driving a real car and, you know, roam around the house. My house was like a circular type of house.
You lived in a circle.
It was like years ago, like when I was like 4 or 5 or something.
What was it? How do you live in a circular house?
No, it was something like, it was like sort of roundish, okay? It was like
so
one
basically
apartment.
just call it a square kind of, you know, like that. Like,
yeah, sort of.
Okay, whatever.
Not sure, okay? I think it's like very old, I can't remember. Don't trigger my memories.
Okay, so I guess let's go for the last fact. Let's go for the last fact. In 2009, Stephen Hawking held a reception for time travelers, but he didn't publicize it after. This way, only those who could time travel would be able to attend. Yeah. Nobody came.
I know. I read this somewhere on Instagram only, most probably, and I was like so curious to know more about it and stuff. And this was like, you know, really sort of sad as well. Like Stephen Hawking was like, okay, most probably, you know, some time travels will come, but nobody came.
I mean, you can't time travel
back. Yeah, according to physics' law and stuff like that, you can't time travel back into time. You can. There are chances of time traveling into the future if you like reach the speed of light.
I mean, have you heard about the grandfather paradox?
No.
So it's this paradox, right? It's this paradox. If you go back in time and killed your grandfather, then you wouldn't have been born in the first place. And then how would you have killed your grandfather? That means he's not dead, but then you did come back in time and kill him. How does that make sense?
Yeah,
it doesn't make any sense at all.
That's exactly also the reason why you can't travel back into time according to physics laws. Because if you, for example, kill your grandfather, then you won't be alive to go back to time and kill him. see the laws and stuff. It's very weird.
Yeah, it's pretty because you're basically altering the timeline in which you are in.
Yeah.
If you can alter the timeline in front
But
of
you
you,
know,
that
like,
makes sense.
not all of us are murderers.
What does that
Why would you go back into time and kill your grandfather?
No, that's just the paradox. Like, let's say you went back in the time.
Adding some masala.
Okay, let's say you made a sandwich.
Yeah.
And you eat the sandwich, and you go back into time and you destroy the sandwich.
Okay. So you never ate.
So you never ate the sandwich, but it's there in your stomach because you just went back. So it can't just disintegrate because of the law of conservation of mass.
You have a good example now.
Alright, so I guess we'll end the episode there.
Yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular episode. Now, guys, if you want to get to know more facts which you don't usually discuss on the podcast, you can check out our Instagram page at infobytes with 2S.
And guys, don't forget to share our podcast because we are this close, very close to reaching 10 listeners.
Damn.
10.
It makes happy.
it's like a small milestone for us because we just started off, but 10.
It's our third episode today, right?
Yes, third.
Damn, man. Time is going fast. It was like yesterday we started our podcast.
Man, 3 weeks already.
I remember
over.
writing in my journal also that today we started our podcast and now it's on Spotify and I was like so happy. Damn, time flies fast. Time flies fast. Okay, thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and stay tuned.